How to add stickers to Instagram Reels. In order to add stickers to your Instagram Reels, you need to head over and then select the reel that you want to actually add stickers into. So we have in here this reel. So you can head over and then just do this reels right here. So if you want to add the sticker to the reel that is not yours, then you can head over to your reel section, click on these three dots, and then from in there you can see these options right here. So you need to find a reel that actually allows remix. So click on this remix right here. And then once you have done that, this will load the reel in order for you to edit it and post it on your profile. So from in there, you can see this. You can see this stickers icon, which is the third icon on the bottom. And then you can add any stickers that you want for this case. So I'll head over and add this and then just position it right here. So the menu is actually just like this when you have your own reel. So click on this next right here, and then you should be able to post it on your reel through this way. So that's how you add stickers to Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.